Hello and good day, guys. Today is Sunday, and the hope you are enjoying the weekend. Let's analyze the GBP USD. This is a yearly time frame. I would like to show you guys, and you can see this is the range of the yearly time frame. And last year, GBP has performed against USD very badly, and we had this red. Bearish candlestick here, then it opened here, and it within last 12 months it is just doing this much. And if we see how much it gained, uh, it has a long shadow on at the end of 22, and it began with a negative traction on bearish, but later it got positive. So what I'm trying to visualize here on yearly performance, which you will analyze on 29th December, as 29th December is the last day of working of this year. After the 30th and 31st December are holiday weekend. So here you guys can see that this is almost a very strong bearish trend for the last 2016-17 years. So we have gone already here, and GBP is not performing well against that. And for the last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 years, it is almost ranking in a very narrow area. So if we measure the range, this is the half, and this is the lowest, and we just crossed from bearish to bullish a little bit, and it has gained around 5,390 pips within the last year. I mean from last year, not last year. Actually, it has gained less than that, because it opened here, so it gained 500 pips in the whole year. To be honest with you, this is the actual figure. The whole year, if we measure the pips from here to here, this is the gain GBP has done against USD. So it is not that much very strong, I can say. Let's move to monthly. You can see, guys, in monthly we have a double top here, and this top has created this bottom, and this created this top. So let's mark this double top first. This is the place where it has created the double top. Let us get rid of these things. We don't need this, just to visualize in yearly chart. I just put them there, so let's get rid of them. Here, this is the double top. I beg your pardon. This is the double top we got in monthly time frame, and this has created, this is the double top we had, and this created this bottom, and this bottom has been created a little bit back from here. If you guys can see, from here it has been created. This is the place from where it has been created actually. This is the thing. If we draw it, you can see this is the place where the double bottom has been created. Let's also mark it for our analysis. So this is what happened, and if we measure the current depth, it is ranging for a long time. Also from 2016 it is ranging in this area. So let's find the middle of this range, and the middle stands here. Okay, always I try to find the middle, so I can understand within the range where the price is standing at the current day, and the price is above the middle. It means the price has more bias to bullish than bearish at the moment. This is the thing we have now. We don't know what caused this double top, so we need to find it again. We don't know what caused this double bottom, and again push the price bullish. So let's go to our time frame now. Here we can see that this opposite color candle, which is in bearish trend, this bearish bullish candle has created this double top here. So let us mark it here why do we have a double top here? Yes, we do have a double top here. Here we can see we have a double top with this red and green, but considering the last week, we don't have any confirmation here because we need a red candle here, and which didn't happen here. So if we judge based on this going to monthly, that what pushed the price, let's do it later. Let's see what pushed the price from here. So let's see what pushed the price from here. We need to find that first. This guy, if we go to weekly, we can see the price has been pushed from here, and this was the candle which I was talking. Actually, I misled you guys there. So this was the guy in weekly which caused this double top, which we can see in month here. This is the thing which happened, and it happened in weekly, not in monthly. So mark it in weekly now. Okay, and this is the thing happened. So if we do it like this and like this, okay, so if we move to weekly, so this was the reason which in monthly we couldn't explain why this double top has been created and pushed the price here. So in week 2 we can see this is the reason the price has been pushed back to here. Now again in monthly we have failed to find out what created this double bottom. It doesn't explain anything to us. So if we go to weekly again, we have to find if we have anything. We have nothing here in weekly, and we don't need this one at the moment. So let's take it out from other charts at the moment, that is the monthly half. So if we go to daily, now we can see what caused this price to move upward. This was the this double bottom has been created in day time frame rather than in weekly time frame. We can see that this is the reason that pushed the price upward. Can you guys see here? Yes. So let's mark it in daily and make the range clear so we don't lose our track. So this was the reason that pushed the price again on the upside. So this caused this guy and this caused this guy. Now what is happening is this that when if we go to monthly again, we don't have anything, I told you. So if we mark it as pattern 1, so this is pattern 2, it happened in pattern 2. Hold on guys, what is happening? I don't understand. Where is my these guys are missing. Why? I want to show it in everywhere so I can visualize things. So this is pattern 1. We have we can say this pattern 1 P1 in month, in weekly. Okay, and this is P2. This is pattern 2 in daily. Okay guys, so this is the range we have after forming these two pattern, and if we measure this, we can see very clearly that the price has crossed the half here already. Okay, and the price broke out half of that, and again if we measure this, has it reached 75%? No, it has not. Okay, so this is pattern 1, pattern 2. Now the thing is, what caused this guy to stop here, and this red one in daily, we can see very clearly that it has been created from this guy. This is the guy which has stopped this price. So if we just mark it like this, Can you guys see? This is the guy, the green and red. This is green and red. So let's mark it here also. We need to adjust a little here. Yes. Sometimes people ask why I try to take the bigger one, because the bigger one gives us the depth of the market on the upside or on the downside both. So if we mark this is the double top has been created here in daily time frame, and this is very important to mark. So our range, can you guys see, it was pattern 1 which pushed the price here, then it created double bottom here, it pushed the price back here, and now the price is here and it formed a double top from here. So our range now, this range has become invalid, which was half actually of these two, pattern 1 and pattern 2. But now as we have a new pattern, this is pattern 3 now. If we consider pattern 3 in daily, daily, okay, so now this has become invalidated now, so we have a new range from here to here. Okay, so the price supposed to come here now. This is the analysis I have at the moment. The price should come here, and if we see that there is two places this price can give reaction to us. So one place is this guy where the price can start at moving upward again, and we should mark these things so we keep on monitoring what is going on in the market and what can change the price. And the second place is this guy. This is a very powerful candlestick in a upward trend. These are two guys which has assisted the price to being upward for almost 2 days. So this is another area we should look into when the price gets price comes to this level. This is one thing we have to take care. We have to think in perspective. So I am expecting next week the price come here or here at here. Now what will happen if the price comes here? It will immediately form a complete cup, and it will complete a handle also at the same time. So my suggestion for the timing is this: if the price breaks this zone and moves upward, so let's say if the price came here, then try to break this zone and retest and fails to break this guy, then the price will start moving upward. And how far it will move, I have to show you guys. It will exactly move to the depth of the cup, of this cup. So the depth of the cup is 759 pips, if we can see. So it will be 759 pips, something like this we are expecting here. Okay, sorry, I don't need to move. Yes, so this is the thing can happen if the price successfully able to move on upside. And I must make it green, not red, and it will at least move 50% of it. So initially I will target this guy, this 50% somewhere here, breaking this weekly barrier. On the other side, if it comes here, then we have a better confirmation on moving upward, because a cup and handle is a very powerful instrument which always gives us a better which I can show you in other thing in Euro USD. If you go here, you can see now that though I should not bring this chart here, but you can see the cup and handle. Once it makes the handle, it keeps on moving to the neckline of the cup again. That is the way it reacts. So we have to be very sharp here, that if the price comes down to this area, which means this price will move up, fail, and it will come here, to this area, then we have a we need to watch out for these two areas. So that is very important to see. In my opinion, I am currently thinking of this leg first, then this leg. So the other option we can have is this: the price will come here, retest, 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 and then the price will start moving upward like this, in the same zone of this. Please do your own analysis about it. I cannot provide you any lead at the moment because I have not seen enough price action here. Anyhow, if we go to 4 hours, you guys can see that once it reached to this daily double top and it tried to break out for 1 2 3 4 5 20 hours, it tried to break upward and it failed and it came down. So this is the area, the same area we are expecting the price will react in this area due to this single candle, and also the price will react in this area which is similar to this area, and of course this area which is inconsistent with our all this drawing. Make your own analysis. Please take trade carefully, make your own risk management. All these things are does matter, and it is end of the year, anything can happen anytime. And US dollar, this part I have mentioned due to the pattern in day time frame. If you guys go and see that this is the very famous pattern, cup and handle. Otherwise I am not very much agree. I will not agree very much with the bearish part of GBP USD, because the GBP, the Bank of England has declared that it is going to maintain its current interest rate, which is something like, if I'm not wrong, the current interest rate is, let me check it so we don't make any mistake anywhere. The current interest rate is 5.25 up to the third quarter of the next year, which which means up to September of next 2024, whereas US Jeremy Powell, the Federal Reserve Bank chairman, he has already declared that the USA will start cutting its rate from next quarter, I mean in first quarter of 2024. So I don't think that there is little chance of getting bearish in GBP USD at the moment. Rather we should think about this. And there is another thing I would like to mention, that as soon as the US interest rate comes down, there is a setback of that too, because most of the money market investment, which is in US alone, is $6 trillion. That will not get the risk-free return anymore in higher level. So the money market will get a short of liquidity, at least as per the expert. Around $1 trillion will be moved to other assets like bonds, like share and other assets, gold, something like this. So take care, guys. Have a nice weekend. If you have a question and query, please let me know without any hesitation. Thank you very much for your time and patience, and I always request, please do subscribe, give like and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.